Good morning, student of class 1. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. As per some guardians' request and also some student difficulties to understand the lesson in English, from today I will discuss the topic both English and give some example in Hindi. Okay. So today I am going to discuss about the exercise question answer of chapter 3, more about computer. So let's start. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell all of you that the computer copy carries 30 marks. Okay, the computer copy carries 30 marks. So all of you should write all the question answer on your computer copy. That means आप लोगों को computer copy में सब question answer लिखना है जो मैंने already provide किया हुआ है, और computer copy में 30 marks है. अगर आप लोग कंप्यूटर कॉपी में क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं लिखेंगे तो वो 30 मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा आप लोगों को. ओके, so move on to the topic. In my previous video I already have discussed about the uses of the computer. Here you can see the uses of computer. We can use the computer to watch movies, cartoons, listen music, type a letter, do calculation. That means हम लोग कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करते हैं मूवीज़ देखने के लिए, कार्टून्स को देखने के लिए. अगर कोई किसी को गाना सुनने का मन है तो वो गाना भी सुन सकता है कंप्यूटर से. हम लोग टाइप भी कर सकते हैं, कोई भी लेटर हो, कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट हो. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज़ कंप्यूटर कैन डू कैलकुलेशन वेरी फास्ट. ओके, सो जब भी हम लोग को कोई भी कैलकुलेशन करना होता है तो हम लोग कंप्यूटर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ here you can see the other different types of uses of the computer. First is study, then draw and color picture, play games, search information, send and receiving messages, chat with friends, book tickets online, store data. That means जैसे कि अभी आप लोग मोबाइल के ज़रिए या कंप्यूटर के ज़रिए मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं और पढ़ रहे हैं, तो इस पे क्या होता है, कंप्यूटर हम लोगों को हेल्प कर रहा है स्टडी में. ड्रॉ एंड कलर पिक्चर्स, दैट मीन्स वी कैन ईजिली ड्रॉ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पिक्चर्स इन MS पेंट बाय यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर एंड ऑल्सो कलर इट. ओके, दैट मीन्स हम लोग अगर कोई भी पिक्चर हम लोगों को मन करेगा वो हम लोग कंप्यूटर के ज़रिए ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं और उसको कलर भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ प्ले गेम्स, हम लोग गेम खेल सकते हैं. सर्च इन्फॉर्मेशन, दैट मीन्स कंप्यूटर we use the computer to search information around the world. Okay, हम लोग कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च कर सकते हैं कंप्यूटर के ज़रिए. सेंड एंड रिसीविंग मैसेजेस, दैट मीन्स वी कैन ईजिली सेंड ऑन एंड रिसीव मैसेजेस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. कहीं पे भी कोई भी हो, हम लोग आसानी से किसी को भी मैसेज भेज सकते हैं और किसी को भी मैसेज रिसीव कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर. चैट विथ फ्रेंड्स, we can easily chat with friends by internet by using a computer. ओके, बुक ऑनलाइन टिकट्स, आजकल हम लोग देखते हैं कि ट्रेन का टिकट भी हम लोग ऑनलाइन से ही खरीदते हैं यूजिंग द हेल्प ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. ओके, स्टोर डेटा, वी कैन इजीली स्टोर डेटा लाइक पिक्चर्स, वीडियोस, मूवीज एट्सेट्रा इन आवर कंप्यूटर. ओके, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंप्यूटर, यूजेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर. नेक्स्ट जो these are the place where the computer is used. We already have discussed that at home we watch movies and do work, at school to teach and learn, at the billing counter to make bills. These are the place where the computer is used. Okay, at railway station to book tickets, at office to do office works, at banks to deposit and withdraw monies, at airports for air traffic control. These are the place where the computer is mainly used. So now we take a quick review of this chapter. The computer, we all know that the computer is very useful thing. Computer can help us in doing many things like doing calculation. We can easily doing calculation very fast. It can do various things and very with easy and speed. It helps us to doing such as thing, watch movies, listen music. We already have discussed this following points. Okay, so move on to the question answer section, which is very important. Now you can take a look page number 26 of your book, page number 26 of your book. Number one question is choose and write the correct option to complete the each sentence. Choose and write the correct option to complete the each sentence. That means हम लोगों को कोई भी हम लोगों को दिया गया 3 जो ऑप्शन है उसमें से सही जो ऑप्शन है उसको वहाँ पे लिखना है और सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. ओके, फर्स्ट इज़ द कंप्यूटर इज़ यूज टू प्ले गेम्स. Here are the 3 options: letters, games and pictures. Okay, number first is already have done in your book. First option is games. Next is we can make dash on a computer. We can make dash on a computer. We can make drawing. Okay, we can make drawing on a computer. Next is computer is used to control the traffic at where? School, home or airports. Okay, the computer is used to control the air traffic at airports. The computer is used to deposit money of where? Banks, office or hotels. Answer is banks. Okay, these are the multiple choice question you need to write on your computer copy. Next is fill in the blanks. Page number 27. Next is fill in the blanks, page number 27. Here are the 4 words: store, airport, music and message. We use this word to fill these blanks. Okay, number 1 is the computer helps us to listen what? We can listen music. Okay, so number 1 is music. It had already done in your book. Next is the computer is used at dash to control air traffic. The computer used airport. Okay, the computer used in airport to control the air traffic. We can easily store pictures, data, etc. So number 3 is store. We can use a computer to store pictures. Number 4 is you can send and receiving messages using a computer. So number 4 is message. These are the fill in the blanks of your book. Okay, page number 27. So move on to next. Here you can see the true false. True false means which statement is true. We can write true. True means right and false means wrong. Okay, for each and every statement we write true or false according to the statement. मतलब जो स्टेटमेंट गलत होगा उसमें हम लोग फॉल्स लिखेंगे, फॉल्स मतलब रॉन्ग, और जो स्टेटमेंट सही होगा उसमें हम लोग ट्रू लिखेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1 इज़ द कंप्यूटर कैन हेल्प इन रनिंग. So we all know that computer does not help in running. Okay, so this statement is incorrect, so that's why we write here false. Next is the computer can use to do calculation. We all know the computer is a machine and do calculation very fast, so this statement is correct, so that's why we write here true. Next is you cannot watch movies on the computer. This statement is false. We can use to watch movies on a computer, so this statement is false, that's why we write here false. Next is you can store pictures and information on the computer. This statement is also true, because we easily store data like pictures, videos, music, etc. We can easily store the data and information on a computer, so these are the true false. Next is answer the following question in one word. That means only we have to answer in one word. So first is name a place where the computer used to teach. We all know that in the school, a place where the computer is used to teach. So number 1 answer is school. Next is a work that cannot be doing using the computer. As answer is eat. Okay, the computer cannot help us in eating. Okay, next is work that can be done on the computer. We all use the computer for drawing. Okay, drawing is the answer. Next is name a place where you have seen the computer. We all seen the computer in railway station, banks, etc. Here the answer is railway station or bank. Okay, as per your choice you write there railway station or banks or shopping malls, okay, etc. These are the answer the following question in one word. Okay, you need to write the question answer on your computer copy. Next is matching. Here you can see some pictures on your screen, shown on your screen. First is child chatting with friends. Okay, this picture is means child chatting with friends. Here you can see the picture and the matching is child chatting with friends. Next is children listening to music. That means here you can see the speaker make some sound. Here you can see the children listen music. Next picture is children playing games. There are two children is sitting and playing some games. Okay, the next matching is children playing games. The next is the computer used at an airport. Here you can see there are different stuff, and in the background of the picture a aeroplane is there. Okay, so this picture is for computer is used an airport. So these are the matching of your of the following chapter. Okay, so the chapter number 3 is completed.